We put the baking soda in our fridge. Thanks. Welcome to Awkward Room. Hope you enjoy your stay, Ashley.